Hey everyone, so I thought I'd just give you a quick instructional video on how you can then use our Showbie classroom. So what you need to do is first of all go to the website showbie.com, so showbie.com, and then it'll open up this page here. Now what you're going to do is just click on sign up for free, and all you need to do is then click on I'm a student. Now all you need to do is sign up with a username, and then you can enter whatever name you fancy. So let's just go with there we go, and just create your own password at that point, so whatever we fancy. Now the email is optional, you don't have to enter that at all, and then you click sign up. Now once you've actually done this, what it's going to do is it's going to pop up this screen that says join a class. So what you can then do is you can just enter the code. Now what you'll find is in your school email addresses, then I've sent you the code for your class. Now I'm not going to say on here because I don't want to be marking everyone's homework in the world, but you can then enter a class name from your homework and then you click join class. So what you'll find is that when you come into here, then you will see you're in your class and you've got an assignment. So you click on it, and when you open it up, there it is. Okay, so what you need to do with this one is you're going to grab a copy. So you can open it and have a look at it on the screen, but in the bottom right corner you'll see the little download arrow. So you click on that to download it, and you just download it as a Word document. Nice and simple. It'll always be a nice little Word document. Then open it up, and as always when you're doing any of your work, normally you'll just be able to edit the document as you would in any other Word document. So you're going to open this up. My computer is really slow, I apologise. And then what you're going to be able to do is edit this document. So you can type in your answers onto the space where it says your answer. Do not take these as their answers, I'm not even reading the questions. And once you've actually finished typing your answers in, then all you do is you can just save it. And then what we're going to do is come back into Showbie. So get rid of that, click done to get rid of it. And once you've actually finished, then go to where it is. So hold on, let me just refresh my little downloads bit. And you should have obviously your file here. So you can just click on it, drag it over to the screen, let go, and what will happen is it'll upload it, and there it is. So that means that it'll pop up on my screen and I can then mark your work for you. So make sure you are doing this. Please don't try and edit it via the annotations, because when you come to actually do the written questions, it's just going to be a pain in the neck for me to then mark. So download it and then just drop it back into Showbie so I can have a go at marking this. And the idea behind this is that we're then going to be able to have some proper feedback on the work you've been doing. I'm aiming to do one of these for each of the classes I teach you for. So for those of you in my 10W class, then we're going to have biology, chemistry and physics up and running. And for those of you in my 10Es, we'll have our chemistry one up and running. So I will obviously let you know via school email the class codes, and also let you know about when assignments are actually coming up. So hopefully that makes it a little bit easier for you to do. So get that work done.